I am going to Paris. I did not sleep in 1 week, but I'm still excited to go to Paris. I'm still gonna turn up. I was so close to being late. I drank an illegal amount of coffee, but I survived. I'm pushing through. I'm going to the KVD event with some very fun people. Anyway, look at this view. Look at the view. And of course, some more coffee and the beautiful French vibes. I don't know. Look who I'm with. Look who I'm with. Fabioli. We went to a nice lunch. And after the lunch, we went to learn how to make macaroons. I am not a cook. I will not become a cook. I do not want to cook. But it was fun. It was fun to learn. Look at this professional whisking. The macaroons were... well, they were edible. I think we nailed it, honestly. Fabiola got a little too excited for this. Then we all went shopping. We need to show you what we got. Stay tuned for the unboxing.